On behalf of the board, staff, and volunteers of Mountain Resource Center, I would like to thank you for this opportunity to pitch our grant idea to Impact 100. My name is Sarah Kinzer, and I'm CEO of Mountain Resource Center. We're located in Conifer, Colorado, which is in Jefferson County. We're in our 31st year of providing free human services to our community. Some of the different services we provide are emergency basic needs services, such as SNAP, Medicaid, and rental, mortgage, and utility assistance. We doubled the amount of that assistance we were able to provide in the past year. We also offer parenting support groups and in-home visitation for families with children 0 through 8. We have a robust veterans program, and we also have a very big food pantry. So during the pandemic, we had to pivot to increase our food pantry. It used to be that we saw 40 to 50 families per week. And at the beginning of the pandemic, we skyrocketed up to around 400 families per week. We've leveled out since then at about 150, but the needs are very, very high in our community. We're an emergency food pantry partner with the Food Bank of the Rockies, and we take purchase of about 10,000 pounds of food per week, costing us about $700 per month. So it's very economical. And in 2020, we handed out 500,000 pounds of food to our community. Over half of the people that we serve tell us that they do not know where their next meal is coming from. So this is a crisis for us. We try to make you coming to our pantry, even for first-time folks, as easy and as fun as possible. We dress up, we have different themes every week, like pirates and dinosaurs. The kids love it, the senior citizens love it, and the staff loves it as well. One of the things we learned during the pantry or during the pandemic is that a lot of people can't get to us. People don't have reliable transportation. There's not public transportation. There might be people who are homebound or have little kids at home, and they're just not able to get to us in order to pick up food. People also work during the daytime hours that our drive-through pantry is open. So we had some neighborhood heroes, people who are out of work or out of school, that were delivering 10 and 15 boxes of food to others in the community during the pandemic. Well, they've had to go back to work, and we realized those folks might not have a way to get to us. So that was the seed of deciding we needed a mobile pantry. Even though we're in our 31st year, a lot of people in Jefferson County still don't know that we exist. Just a few weeks ago, we had a dad come through with his little kids, and he didn't know we existed, and he really needed our help. In fact, one of the children called aside our food pantry coordinator and told him that he hadn't eaten in over 24 hours and he was really hungry. And we were able to use some of our food rescue from Starbucks and Natural Grocers to give him a meal right here in our parking lot. So we're exacting some amazing change right here on the premises. But our idea for Impact 100 is for you to help us purchase a mobile food pantry, a refrigerated food truck that we can take out into the community. We'll partner with local schools during their free and reduced meals during the summer to be able to access those families to get them food. We'll partner with Jeffco Public Health, the library, our local fire department, to park in the lots and increase people's awareness and visibility that we have food to offer to them. We offer fresh produce, dairy, local meats, and hygiene products, diapers and formula as well. So there's really something for everyone. Ultimately, we would like to be able to deliver door to door. A lot of social services in our areas closed during the pandemic. Food banks and Meals on Wheels programs closed. And we know that those people are not getting those services that they need. So we hope to be able to deliver food boxes directly to people's doorstep with this program. We're looking for the one-time costs of purchasing a van, and also some support in hiring a driver for this van part-time. This van would also be a nice conduit for people learning about our rental and utility assistance programs and our parenting support programs. And we're hoping that we can serve a minimum of 60 new families per week with this van, which I think will actually do even above and beyond that. Hunger can be all-encompassing. If you're a mom or dad with hungry kids, it's the only thing you can think about. You can't concentrate on work. You can't concentrate on school or doing other things. It's just too hard. And what we understand about that is there's stigma in asking for help. Sometimes it's embarrassing to say that you need help, but we all need help sometime. You and I have asked other people to help during hard times. And so we want to normalize that experience and bust the stigma of that. One family we saw who was donating eggs to us, only after a few times of them coming to donate did we realize they were food insecure and they needed boxes of food. And now it's a give and get relationship. They give things to us and we give things to them. And that makes us a community, and it makes it easier to ask for help when you realize that you have something to give as well. And that's why we want to call this project our community food share, because we want to normalize people having need and decrease the stigma of asking for help. MRC is stronger now than we have ever been before. I act not only as the CEO, but as the primary fund developer for the agency. And in 2020, we ran 8 new campaigns that raised over $220,000. That's a 103% increase from the previous year. We increased our donor base by 66% and our average donation by 89%. Our community showed up in amazing ways for us because they believe in the work that we do, because we're trusted in our community and we're well known, and we've been here a long time and we're not going away. And so I can continue to fund this. This is an easy idea to fund because it's necessary and it's critical. It will be very visible in the community and people will get behind us. We have so many strong food pantry donors already that want to earmark their money for there. So I believe in my ability to sustain this program for many, many years to come. And what you as Impact 100 women will know is that your logo will be on this fan. And people will know when they see your logo that you believe in busting the stigma of hunger as well, and that you believe in dignity and in bringing meals to people who don't know where their next meal is coming from. And where it's coming from you. Thank you so much.